Destructive interference, when two waves overlap each other in opposite phases. Diffraction, bending of light around obstacles. Dimension, one of the basic measurable physical properties such as length, mass and time. Displacement, the change in the position of a body from its initial position to its final position. Doppler Shift, the apparent change in the frequency due to relative motion of source and observer. Drag force, a retarding force experienced by an object moving through a fluid. Damping, a process whereby energy is dissipated from the oscillatory system. Denser medium, the medium which has greater density. Derived quantities, the physical quantities defined in terms of base quantities.